Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and healthy. This is episode 1, Chemistry, chapter Carbon and its compounds. Carbon is the most important element to life. Without this element, life as we know it would not exist. As you will see, carbon is the central element in compounds necessary for life. These compounds are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. There are 3 million carbon compounds known so far. Why is it so? Why does carbon have such a unique property which other elements don't have? The answer lies in the exceptional ability of carbon to bind with the variety of other elements. Carbon makes 4 electrons available to form covalent chemical bonds, allowing carbon atoms to form multiple stable bonds with other small atoms, including hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Carbon atoms can also form stable bonds with other carbon atoms. In fact, a carbon atom may form single, double, or even triple bonds with other carbon atoms. This allows carbon atoms to form a tremendous variety of very large and complex molecules. So, basically, the unique property of carbon is divided into two types, that is, tetravalency of carbon and catenation property of carbon. Carbon has atomic number of 6. It has 4 electrons in outermost shell. Due to these 4 electrons in outermost shell, which are also known as valence electrons, we say carbon is tetravalent in nature. That means carbon has the ability to form 4 bonds with other carbon atoms or with other small atoms like oxygen, hydrogen, halogens, etc. On the other hand, silicon also has 4 electrons. Its configuration is 284. But number of compounds of silicon are comparatively lesser than the compounds of carbon. The reason lies in the difference in their atomic sizes. Atomic size of carbon is very small, due to which the carbon compounds are exceptionally stable due to as they have strong covalent bonds. So small size of carbon atom makes the compounds very strong. Second property is catenation property. Catenation means linkage of atoms of the same elements to form long chain. Carbon, due to its tetravalent nature, has a unique property to form bonds with our other atoms of carbon, forming a long chain. Because of its property of catenation, carbon can form a straight chain, branched chain, and cyclic ring. The astounding compound forming ability of the element comes from the capacity of its atoms bind to each other not only in straight chains but in complex branchings like the branches of a tree. They can join in a head to tail structures to make rings of carbon atoms. The element has practically no limit to the number or complexity of the branches or the number of rings that can be attached to them, thus making it unique as there is no limit to the number of different molecules that can be formed. So, these are the two properties on the basis of which we say carbon is a unique element. No other element in the periodic table exhibits this property. I hope this podcast will be useful to you. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy.